afternoon to tomorrow morning. Impacts at 9.5 feet.
Barclay-Messerly Road south of the Warren Airport in Braceville floods. Milton Road will be threatened. Additional details at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, the stage was 8.6 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 9.8 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight.
Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information.